All right, code review speedrun. We're on video 734. So in the system index, we are taking the Eddy game state objects and we're going to rename them to EG state because we're going to take all the data from here. We're putting it into here for reasons. Let's go down here. So here's our EG state data section and all this code. See all this code? This was originally the Eddy game state objects. We've taken all this code and we have pasted it into here and we've refactored the name. So you see move 734 and then MAE 734 stands for moved and edited. So we changed the name here. This was originally Eddy game. Now it's EG state, and this is when the engine is behaving as a game. So this is all the state for when the engine is behaving as a game. And then up here is all of the state data for when the engine is behaving as an editor. So we've changed this name right here. This name right here has been changed from Eddy game to EG state. So you see this little token says moved and edited, and then everything else says moved, M-O-V. Now, in the longer tutorials, I will revisit and explain this object. I'll explain every single member. Every single member that is currently in here, I explain in the shorter videos. But in this video, I do not have time in this video. And all we've done is moved it, right? So I don't technically have to re-explain that, but I do explain this object in more detail in these slower tutorials. Okay, so this is the Eddy game data section, and you can see that these objects no longer exist. They are now monkey wrench macros because now the proper namespace is EG state rather than Eddy game, right? So there's a D EG state editor and there's a D EG state game, right? So these are just little monkey wrench macros to remind me of where to find the actual thing that I might be looking for. Okay, down here in TileBoy, within this TileBoy function, we've changed this error message from I forgot what it's changed from, but now the error message is where's the money, Lebowski, because this error message is showing up when we click. Okay, and then down here is what we did previously, and then inside this old documentation section 340, we've inserted 734 and explained the where's the money Lebowski error, and then down here is what we did in this video. So we're just doing a little refactor, but our refactor is not finished. If you want a longer explanation of what that big gigantic object is, go here. You are here. Like and subscribe.